Good morning, all of you. Continuation of last class, rational numbers, exercise 1.3, Roman 3. Already Roman 1, Roman 2 already finished. See Roman 3, find the x plus y divided by x minus y. X minus y. First of all, you find x plus y. What is x value? X value is given is there. X plus y divided by x minus y. First of all, x plus y. You find x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to what is x value? 5 by 2 plus what is y value? Minus 3 by 4. That means 5 by 2 plus into minus 3 by 4. What is the LCM? 2 comma 4. LCM means 4. For 4 divided by 2, 2 into 5, 10. Minus 4 divided by 4, 1 into 3, 3. That means 7 by 4. X plus y means 7 by 4. Next, you find the x minus y. Light x minus y, that is equal to 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. That means 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 4. That is equal to what is LCM? Same. See here. Therefore, 4 divided by 2. 2 into 5, 10 plus 3. That is equal to 13 by 4. 13 by 4. What is the C? What is the condition? X plus y divided by x minus y. X plus y divided by x minus y is equal to what is x plus y? 7 by 4 all divided by x minus y, 13 by 4. Therefore 7 by 4, 7 by 4. The denominator question is rational number. The rational number, see, rational number divided by rational number means the numerator of rational number 7 by 4 into the denominator rational number is reciprocal, 4 by 13. 4 get cancelled, that is equal to 13 by 7 by 13. 7 is prime number, 13 is prime number. This is a standard form, like no simplify. Not possible to simplify, that means. See here, therefore, second is homework for you. You can do. Go to the fourth Roman. What is the fourth Roman? Divide the sum of this and this. Sum of this and this is minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. That means sum of this by product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Divided the sum of by the product of divided. See, first of all, sum. What is sum? Sum is equal to minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Therefore, what is the LCM? 5 comma 7. 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number. The LCM of two prime number is the product of that numbers. Therefore, 5 7s are 35. 35 divided by 5, 7. 7 into 13, 91. Plus 35 divided by 7, 5. 5 into 12, 60. That is equal to minus 31, minus 31 divided by 35. At the same time, product. What is the product? Product is equal to minus 30 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus into minus plus. Under multiplication, two rational numbers means so the product of numerators. Therefore 13 ones are 13. Product of denominators is 40. What is the condition? Divided by. That means, see, that means therefore minus 31 divided by 35 minus 31 divided by 35 divided by 13 by 14. That means minus 31 divided by 35 multiplication. The denominator convert into multiplication. The denominator of the rational number reciprocal. Therefore 14 by 13. 7 2s, 7 5s. That means minus 31 by 5 into 2 by 13. Therefore 13 1 2s minus 62 divided by 65. This is the final answer. Minus 62 by 65. Minus 62 by 65. Divide the sum of two numbers by the product of two rational numbers. Sum of two rational number divided by some product of two rational numbers. What is condition? Divided by. See, let's go to the 5. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 5 of the same number. Same number means this is the same number. Same number means this is same number. Same number. 1 by 7 of the same number by 36. Find the number. What is the find the number? First of all, you take number is equal to, let us take x. Number is equal to x. Number is equal to x. 2 by 5 of 2 by 5 y of half means multiplication of a number. Number is x. Exceeds means minus 1 by 7 1 by 7 y of half multiplication of the same number. What is the same number? X is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. Here is equal to 36. Now see, 2 into x. X means x by 1. 2 into x, 2x by 5 minus 1 into x, x by 7 is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. What is the LCM? 5 into 7. 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number. The LCM of two prime number is the product of that numbers. Therefore 35. 35 divided by 5. 7. 7 into 2, 14. 14x minus 35 divided by 7. 5. 5 into x, 5x. That is equal to 36. That is equal to 36. Here, therefore, 14x minus 5x means 9x. 9x divided by 35 is equal to 36. Right, see, cross multiplication. 9x is equal to 36 into 35. 9 1s, 9 4s. 9 1s, 9 4s. Therefore, x is equal to 4 into 35. Therefore, x is equal to, what is 4? See, 70, 140. X is equal to 140. What is the find the number? Find the number means, find the number means x is equal to 140. Find the number 140. 140. See, go to 6th Roman. Go to 6th Roman. See, two pieces of, this is one piece, this is second piece. Two pieces of cut from a rope, cut off from a rope 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? What is the length of the remaining rope? See, here are cut off from a roof. Cut off from a roof means 11 minus, what is the pieces? This and this. The subtract 11 from subtract both numbers. Therefore 2 3 by 5 means 2 2s, 5 2s 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5 plus 10 3s 30, 30 plus 3 33 by 10. This is me. Is equal to 11 minus, what is the LCM? 10. 10 divided by 5, 1 into, 10 divided by 5, 2 means 2 into 13, 26 plus, therefore 10 by 10, 1 into 33, 33. This means, therefore 11 minus, what is 59? 59 divided by 10. What is the LCM of 10? 11 means 11 by 1. 10 by 1, 10 into 11, 110 minus 10 by 10, 1 into 5, 59, no, 59. That means, what is, see, 59 means 41, 51. 51 divided by 1. 51 divided by 1. That means, this is, what is the remaining? What is the length of the remaining rope means 5 1 by 10 meters. 5 1 by 10 meters. This is. Go to the 7. Go to the 7. See, the 7th Roman, the cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of the cloth is 12 3 by 4 rupees. Find the cost per meter. Per meter, 1 meter is equal to 1 meter. How much of cost of 1 meter? See, first of all, cloth. Cloth is equal to, this is the mixed fraction, the converted into, therefore 4 12s are 48 plus 3, 51 by 4 rupees. Cost a meter, 1 meters, therefore is equal to 7 2 7 3 is 21 plus 2, 23 by 3 meters. Here, what is the, find the cost of per meter? Find the cost of per meter. Rupees divided by meters. Rupees divided by meters. See, Therefore 51 divided by 4 whole divided by 23 by 3. That means 51 divided by 4 into 3 by 23. 3 by 23. See, here is what is 53 means 153 divided by say 92. 92. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 92. This means here see that like therefore go to the long division method like see here 92 153 92 ones 90 so 92 ones 92 here 1 6.0 92 6 are 12 5 what is the remaining C 8 5 58 already point is there remember therefore 92 6 are 552 like 8 7 to 28 okay enough therefore per meter is equal to nearly approximately therefore 1 meter is equal to 1.666 rupees. This is like see go to 8 find the area of the rectangle park. What is the shape of the rectangle park? This is the rectangle shape of the rectangle. This is breadth, this is length. Therefore length and breadth. Therefore find the area of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. Area of the rectangle park which is 18 3 by 5 meters long. L is equal to long. Long means L is equal to 18 3 by 5 and 8 2 by 3 meters broad. Broad means breadth or broad that is means B. Therefore L is equal to length is equal to therefore length is equal to 18 5s are 18 5s are 90 plus 3 93 by 5 meters. Therefore 24 to 20 yes or no, therefore 24 to 26 by 3 breadth B is equal to 26 by 3 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26 by 2. See what is L into B. The area of the rectangle is L into B. What is L? Therefore 93 by 5 into 26 by 3. 26 by 3. Here means 3 3s 3 1s. Therefore 31 into 26 divided by 5. 31 into 26 divided by 5. What is here? Therefore here small space. What is multiplication? Therefore 31 into 26 6 ones 6 3s 18 2 6 10 8 not 6. Therefore 8 not 6 divided by 5. 8 not 6 divided by 5. 8 not 6 divided by 5 means see what is Browell fraction. The fraction convert into mixed fraction 5 like therefore 8 not 1 therefore is 5 150 is 750 60 16 is equal to 0 S C 160. Here means 160 160 means 800 there was 6 166 by 5 166 by 5 meter square. Therefore area of This is area means area of the rectangle means 166 by 5. 166 by 5. 166 by 5. This is go to 9. Ninth. What is ninth now? What number should be? What number should be minus 33 divided by 16? Minus 33 divided by 16. Minus 33 divided by 16. B divided by. Sorry. What number should be minus 33 by 16? B divided by to get to minus 11 by 4. What number should be divided? What number should be divided? Number means number is equal to x. What number should be divided? Divided means see minus 33 divided by 16 whole divided by x. By to get means equal to minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4. What is see here? Therefore minus 33 divided by 6. The x means x by 1. The denominator fraction is reciprocal. That means 1 by x is equal to minus 11 by 4. Minus get cancelled. At the same time, 33 divided by 16x is equal to 11 by 4. Here means 11 ones, 11 threes. That means 3 divided by 6x is equal to 1 by 4. 4 ones, 4 fours. Therefore, 3 by 4 x is equal to 1. That means 3 by 4 is equal to x. Cross multiplication, under cross multiplication. See x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 4. What number? Number means, this is like number means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. What number? What number means x. X means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Go to the 10th Roman 10th problem. If 36 trousers of a equal sizes. 36 trousers are equal size can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth. What is the length of the cloth required to each trouser? That means see like therefore each trousers required to each trouser means therefore length of the cloth required each trouser is equal to 64 by 36. See, this is both are even numbers. Therefore, 32 divided by 18 also both are even numbers. Therefore, 16 by 9. Therefore, numerator is even number, denominator is odd number. Okay, this is finally 60 by 9. The length of the cloth each required. The length of the cloth required 60 by 9. 16 by 9 meters. 16 by 9 meters. Each trouser is equal to length of the each trouser is equal to length of the each trouser is equal to 16 by 9 meters. 16 by 9 meters. Go to 11th. When you repeating decimal means they were 0.36 bar. When the repeating decimal, what is meaning of repeating 36 are repeating up to so on? Is written in the simplest fraction from form of P by Q. Form P by Q. Find the sum of form of P by Q. Find the P plus Q. Find the sum of P plus Q. First of all, you find the PQ. Here, the decimal form to rational form. See, therefore, x is equal to 0.363636. Here, therefore, 100 multiplication with 100 with both sides. That means 36.363636. Here, therefore, equation number 1, equation number 2. Therefore, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Therefore, equation 2 means 100x is equal to 36.363636 like this. Therefore, x is equal to 0.363636 like subtraction. Therefore, here is therefore 3 minus 3 0 6 minus 6 0 3 minus 3 0 6 minus 6 0 3 minus 3 0 6 minus 6 0 like point 36 minus 0 means 36 is equal to 100x minus 1x is equal to 99x. See, therefore 99x is equal to 36, therefore x is equal to 36 by 39. See, this is divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 9 also. 6 plus 3 9, 9 divided by 9 9, okay right. 9 4s are 9 11s, 9 4s 9 11s. This is form of P by Q, P by Q. Therefore P by Q is equal to 4 by 11. What is the sum of P plus Q is equal to 4 plus 7, that is equal to 15. Therefore P plus Q is equal to 15. P plus Q is equal to 15. See, this is the last problem of rational numbers. Now the rational number, the chapter is finished. Tomorrow linear equation in one variable. Let's start.